Hello kids, today's learn CVC words. Bed, E. Red, R-E-D. Fed, F-E-D. Met, M-E-T. Wet, W-E-T. Get, G-E-T. Pet, P-E-T. Pen, P-E-N. Hen, H-E-N. Leg, L-E-G. Peg, P-E-G. Get, G-E-T. Red, R-E-D. Pen, P-E-N. I get the red pen. Yes, red pen. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.